To create an animation in Unreal Engine, we use the sequencer tool. So we initially create a new camera and set that as our current camera. We press the S key so it creates a keyframe wherever we move the frame to. Let me just move the window out of the way. It's a little bit tricky with having only a single screen to share this on. So we can go ahead and move the frame to a later frame within the scene. Now we can navigate to the next position that we want the keyframe to be set to, and then we'll check and see that indeed there has been a keyframe created in the right position. So we move it to a new frame, and then we again navigate ourselves. Let's go through the eye of the needle now and to the other side, and we'll check again when we stop. That's created a new keyframe for us. So to see that this animation has already been created, we can just scroll back through the timeline. We can even press the play button if we just want to play it as it's been animated. If you feel it's too fast for your liking and you would like to slow down the animation, then we can just move the position of the keyframes to slow down the animation effect. Now to set up for our grand finale. So let's just move that last keyframe back a little bit, and at the very end we'll set ourselves a new keyframe. So we'll navigate ourselves to where we want to finish this little movie clip. A bit of rotation and translation as we go down onto the ground level. So now we can actually run this whole animation from the start and see how that's looking. So drop that back down so we can see it, and we can even crank it up to 240 frames per second to generate more frames between our keyframes and just make it a bit smoother. So let's see how this looks. Overall, a great little clip. So now what we need to do, of course, is export this movie. So we render it out, and this is where it all comes together, because we don't have to wait hours for a render. This is real-time rendering. So once we set up the movie and go capture, we can choose from an AVI, MP4, a sequence of images, whatever we desire. Once we have this all set up, it's a matter of just telling it to capture the movie, and in near real time, this movie will be captured. I hope this has been an enjoyable and useful tutorial series to help you get your head around how to do real-time rendering for architectural visualization. Thank you.